Got a theory.
Oh, theory. Here we go. Good.
I was trying to figure out why we seem to be like embracing socialist principles. Like why I keep seeing more of this stuff become mainstream and almost become normalized. And I was looking at the total GDP of the United States is $25 trillion. The federal budget for next year is proposed to be $7.2 trillion. And state and local budgets combined is about $4 trillion. So if you look at government spending, it's about half of GDP now, state, local, and federal, which roughly equates to about half of people in the United States are employed directly by government or indirectly because the government is the primary revenue source of their business. And I think that that's why this set of policies, and I'm not talking about the tax on the centimillionaires as much as a simple disregard for the fact that the United States, over time, the prosperity that we've realized has been driven by a free market economy, by enterprising individuals going out and saying, there are people that are asking for things. I'm going to figure out a way to build those things and make it for them and sell it to them. People will pay for it. They will work hard to do it. And the incentive structure in a free market has enabled productivity improvements and enabled ultimately prosperity. But we've reached a tipping point. And the tipping point is when half or more of the population begins to be employed by the government, at which point that concept is lost. Because now it is the government that is the employer, not one's own individual liberties and ability to go out and be enterprising. And so I think that the budget of government tipping to 50% of GDP is the reason why these policies become mainstream. That's my theory. And so it's a relationship of government spending as a percent of total GDP, which translates into employment.